It's a seashell. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna call you Shelly. Hi, Shelly. Do you love the beach? I do. I love the beach. You know one thing I love about the beach is to play with the beach ball, and I sure do wish I had one right now. Oh! My goodness! Well, Shelly, I hope you have a good day. It's been good meeting you. I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you later. This is Grammy Z over and out. Well, we had a fun beach day, and now I decided to maybe jump in the pool. You think I would actually do that? Grammy Z is pretty zany. Do you think I'll do it? Do you think I'll do it? I'm gonna do it! I can't see! I lost my shoe! I hope you had a good time exploring with Grammy Z on the beach today. I know I did. Always remember you are so loved and you are so special. I cannot wait till we go on our next adventure together. Bye-bye.